In this quick video, I'll show you how you can change the Netflix age restrictions. Say for example, you're locked into Netflix Kids, but you want to watch 18 plus movies or TV shows. This is how you can change the Netflix age restrictions. If it helps you out, please do leave a like, comment down below if it worked, and also subscribe so you can see more tutorials in the future. So what you need to do is come to netflix.com on any web browser. This also works if you're on the phone as well. And here you can click on your profile icon. You can go to account, and it's going to bring up your account page here. What you need to do is scroll down to profile and parental controls. It'll be on the first page. Just scroll down to the bottom of the page and then click on the profile that you want to change the age restriction for, and then click on viewing restrictions and then click change. Here you can enter in your password to Netflix, then click continue, and it will give you some options here of what restrictions are currently on your account. So you can either restrict it to 7 plus, 13 plus, 16 plus, or 18 plus movies. And if you want to watch everything, just click 18 plus or all. And that's pretty much all you've got to do. Once you've changed it, click save, and that's pretty much all you've got to do. You can then go back to Netflix, and you can watch Netflix movies without any restrictions.